was long ago. I didn't know how to keep my love at all. The next time I said a word with friends above, but without romance, you're never gonna fall. After everything I've learned, now it's finally my turn. This is the last time I'll fall in love. The next time we walk under that starry sky, there was a moment when everything was green, and I didn't need to ask or even wonder why, because each question is answered when you're near, and I was enough to know when a miracle unfolds. This is the last time I'll fall in love. Now don't hold back, just let me know. Could I be moving much too fast? Oh wait, just no. That's all my life I waited for this day to find this once in a lifetime. This is it, I'll never be the same. First. And now that I said them, they could never be enough. As far as I can see, there's only you and only me. This is the last time I'll fall in love. Yeah! Pasensya na po pa. Yes! Sorry po,